To view the list of apps with body sensor permission on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen to the button. Under privacy section, tap permission manager. Tap body sensors. Here you can see 3 sections. First, allow all the time section means all apps under this section are allowed to access sensor data about your vital sign all the time, even when you are not using the apps. Next, allow only while in use section means all apps under this section are just allowed to access sensor data about your vital sign only when you are using the apps. And the last one, not allowed section means all apps under this section are not allowed to access sensor data about your vital sign. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.